This is the curry leaves. It's ready. So yummy, very delicious. Hell, baby girl is already putting hand to eat. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This morning I want to prepare food that my daughter will take to school this morning. So this is macaroni. It's macaroni, and let me show you guys the ingredients I'll use for my macaroni. So this is tomato paste. This is tomato paste. This is butter. This is butter. And this is curry powder, turmeric, salt, thyme. This is crayfish and pepper, seasoning cube, onion, and my fish. So this is my pot on fire. Now I will parboil the macaroni first. So I'm opening my macaroni so I can parboil it first. So I'll do half of this because it's just for my daughter. I'll cover and allow to boil. So now the macaroni is soft. I will filter it. So this is my pot on fire now. I will make the sauce. This is butter, margarine. Now I'll add my onion. This is my tomato paste. Fish. crayfish and pepper, seasoning cube, salt, curry powder, dried thyme, and some turmeric powder. Then I'll stir it. Water, I'll cover and allow to boil. While waiting for the sauce to boil, I have some fresh curry leaf here. I'll slice it and add to the macaroni. But I'm going to add this when the macaroni is almost ready. Wow! What a nice aroma! Now I will add my macaroni. I'll add my macaroni. And stir it. Wow, my baby girl's food is yummy. This is the curry leaves. My baby girl's food is ready. Please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and share. You can see it is ready. So yummy, very delicious. Hell, baby girl is already putting hand to eat. This girl, she can't wait to eat it. Mama, baby girl.